I'm going to be showing you how I made these super faded shorts into, not faded shorts, but brand new again. I like to use Tintex dye. It's really cheap and you can use it on anything almost. This is actually super easy. All you do is fill your sink with really hot water, put the dye in, stir it, put your wet article of clothing in the sink, agitate it constantly for 30 minutes, and then rinse it in cold water. So here's the shorts. They look brand spanking new. The dryer or iron them though. That's how the dye gets set. But then, that's it. My name's Sabrina and I'm all about making your own fashion. So subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.